Hello, everyone. It is Erin Floto here, and I am here with my June plan with me. This month, as you all know, I am doing a washi tape theme throughout 2024, and this month happened to be the white and silver theme. So I got all of my washi tapes that had a white background, even if there was color on the washi tape, and I decided to do that so that there was still a little bit of something something on all of the pages. I did lean a lot more into the blacks and silvers and things like that, but you can see that there's a lot more color as well. As long as it had a white background, I was good with it. And I really do love how all of these cover pages are working out. It's really fun. So let's go ahead and take a look really quick at how May is going. Sorry about the different lighting. I'm having issues. So May is going pretty well so far. I am continuing to do my normal setups and doing dailies and monthlies and things like that. So just so you know that this setup is still really working for me, which again, I'm a little shocked by, to be honest with you. I thought when I set everything up back in December that I was really going to have a tough time, and I was going to have to change things up. Like I set up the pages, but I thought from like my day-to-day use of the planner, it would have to change quite a bit. And it honestly hasn't. So that has been a welcomed surprise for me that everything is working pretty well. So as usual, I am going from my monthly cover page into my monthly calendar. The monthly calendar is actually essential for me, especially because I'm not doing weekly setups anymore. I'm only doing dailies. So at the beginning of my week, I fill out the entire week on this calendar. And honestly, that has been so helpful. I obviously fill in stuff ahead of time as well, but typically with my work, a lot of meeting schedules move around, and honestly they move around day to day also, so that has been quite annoying and I haven't really been able to combat that, but it's totally fine. I just white it out. The section that I haven't been working on so well is my goals and finances. There has been a lot going on in the household. We are building a gym. Well, we're building a garage and moving the gym outside. We're going to have more space, and my husband will be able to, take on personal clients out there. So that will be really helpful. But the whole process is a bit chaotic to start with. So that's one of the reasons why finances and goals have kind of taken a back seat. It's just there's not enough time in the day, to be honest with you, and there's just so much going on in our house. So this is the exercise log. As you saw previously, I use a lot of stickers, and this is the one spread that I have been changing up quite a bit from month to month. So usually I include my activity details, basically, what my watch says, because I have an Apple Watch and I have an activity log. So I usually do all the details from that on the left-hand side and then what my workouts are on the right-hand side. But I do change it from month to month on what I do end up doing. So I have no clue what I'm going to do this time, but I do like that some of my spreads I am able to change up from month to month. It does keep it a little bit more fresh. This is my master task list. Again, same as always. So I have my work task list to the left, my home task list to the right, and then on the bottom is where I put my monthly favorites. And usually I am just putting in stickers, and I am lettering and just different things that have happened throughout the month that I have been enjoying. So that is where that is going. And then over on the right hand side, I have my projects. So this spread has been somewhat hit, somewhat misses on a month to month basis. If I fill it out right away, it seems to work pretty well for me. Because then I can kind of think out like the steps of, because so the area to the left is where I'm supposed to put up like my single tasks or overall tasks, and then the projects area to the right is where I lay out if one task requires a bunch of tasks under it. So it's like one big project that requires a lot of me. So that's what I've been doing with that space. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Like I said, if I do it at the beginning of the month, it seems to work a lot better. If I am recapping the month, it's not really useful, but I always do it anyways, because then theoretically I set up for the next month. So that's really helpful. So as you can see here, I am putting the washi tape scraps in the back for a washi tape graveyard. So I've been using that space to do like monthly journaling. So this is how my entire month has gone, and talking about all of the special things that have happened. So that is where what I've been using the washi tape graveyard for. It's a lot of fun, actually. And then I have my reading, but I haven't been reading so well, to be honest with you. And this is how the June setup has gone. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you like this, if you reach the end of this video, please leave some sort of white emoji in the comments down below. And I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.